Good morning, student. I hope all are fine at home. Prevention is better than cure. Stay safe and eat healthy food. God bless you. My name is Kalayarasi. I am your science teacher. In this chapter, we learn about 7 lessons. The first one measurement, and second one force and motion, and third one matter around us, and fourth one atomic structure. Fifth one reproduction and modification in plant, and sixth one health and hygiene. Seventh one visual communication. We are going to talk about a new lesson today, physics and measurement. What is physics? Physics is a natural science based on the experiment, measurement, and mathematical analysis with the purpose of finding quantitative physical law for everything from the nano world of the macrocosmoses to the planets, solar system, and galaxy that occupy the macrocosmoses. Macrocosmoses means any large complete structure, any large complete structure that contains small structure, for example the universe. Law of nature can be used to predict the behavior of the world and all kind of machinery, many of the everyday technological invention that we now talk for granted result from discoveries in physics. The basic laws in physics are universal, but physics in our time in such a vast field that many subfields are almost regarded such separate sciences. Now we are going to discuss about measurement. In day-to-day life, we measure many things such as the weight of the fruits, vegetables, food grain, volume of liquid, temperature of the body, speed of the vehicles, etc. Quantitative such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. Quantitative such as mass, weight, distance, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. Now we will discuss about volume, mass and density. Volume, mass and density. Volume. Volume is the quantity of the three-dimensional space occupied by a liquid, solid or gas. Common unit used to express volume include liters, cubic meters, gallons, milliliters, teaspoons and ounces, though many other units exist. What is the volume of simple word? Volume refer to the amount of space the object take up. In other words, volume is a measure of the size of object. For example, jar. Just like the height and width are way to describe size. If the object is hollow, volume in the amount of water it can hold. If the object for example measuring jar is hollow, the volume is the amount of water it can hold. And second one, density. Density is a measurement that compares the amount of matter on object as to its volume. An object with much matter a certain volume has high density. An object with little matter in the same amount of volume has a low density. Density is found by dividing the mass of object by its volume. What is the simple definition of density? Density is a measure of mass per unit of volume. Density is a measure of mass per volume. The average density of an object equal its total mass divided by its total volume. P equal to m by v. P equal to m by v. P means density, m means mass, v means volume. So density formula P equal to m by v. The volume of density, for example, volume of water. Density equal to mass by volume. P means density, M means volume, already I told. P means density, M means mass, and V means volume. So density. P equal to M by volume. So P equal to mass 24 gram divided by volume 8 cubic meter. 24 divided by 8, density equal to 3 gram cubic meter. Next topic, physical quantities. Physical quantity is a property of material or system that can be quantified by measurement. A physical quantity can be expressed as the combination of a numerical value and a unit. For example, the physical quantity mass can be quantified as n kilogram, where n is the numerical value and kilogram is the unit. The value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of physical quantity. For example, Suresh walks 2 km every day. In this example, 2 is the value and kilometer is the unit. 2 is the value and kilometer is the unit used to express the magnitude of distance, which is the physical quantity. Physical quantity is divided in two types, fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Physical quantity divided in two types, fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity means basic and importance. Fundamental means basic and importance. So fundamental quantity are those physical quantity that cannot be expressed in terms other quantities. It is independent on its own. For example, mass, length, time, temperature, electric current. So fundamental means basic. Fundamental quantity are those physical quantity that cannot be expressed in terms other quantity. It is independent on its own. What are the 7 fundamental quantities? In physics, there are 7 fundamental physical quantities that are measured in base or physical fundamental units: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Already I told, physical quantity classified two types, fundamental quantities and derived quantities. And second one we will discuss about derived quantities. Derived quantities are quantity that can calculated from two or more measurements. Derived quantity cannot be measured directly. They can only be computed. Many derived quantities are calculated in physical science. 3 examples are area, volume, and densities. Derived quantity are quantity that are calculated from 2 or more measurements. Derived quantities cannot be measured directly. They can only be computed. Many derived quantity are calculated in physical science. The 3 example, area, volume, three examples, area, volume, and density.